Hi. Once you finish installing the GIMP, then you have to open it from your system. So open the tool from your system. Once you open it, you will find this kind of user interface. Then go to File and open the image that you want to geotag for your GMB posting. So you can click here, open, and you can select the file. You can go to the folder from where your file is saved and you can open it. So I am opening this file, or I will open some other files for, because I have done. I'm going to document, and it will take might take a couple of seconds to open it, probably. So I am going to this one. I'm going to this folder, and I am opening this file. I'm opening this file. Okay. So after opening this file, I will go to edit, and sorry, I will go to image, and all the way down there is an option called metadata. I will select this one. Then one submenu will jump out. I will click edit metadata. In edit metadata, we have to give some information here. So first you have to give the title. Title always should be a keyword. I'm giving the keyword best curbstone supplier in Bangalore. Other title you can just leave it. And I'm going to that website to get some content. The next one is a description. So description I will copy from the website mostly. Okay. So I will just copy this content. So it is a bit slow. Let's see whether I can copy this one or not. It's not. So probably I will type it. It will take a lot of time.